Hi everybody, good morning to all. Throughout the chapter, we discussed about the different agricultural practices conducted by the farmers, undertaken by the farmers to produce maximum. So we discussed all the important tasks up to harvesting. We studied. Okay. Now the last task, that is about the storage. Storage is also considered as an important task. In case of small holdings of land, it is not a matter. And when we are cultivating this vegetable trees and others in our home, it is storage is not a serious matter. But in case of large cultivation or there's a large holdings of land, the farmers need to take this storage is considered as also one of the very important task. Okay, so the harvesting of the crop, that is usually done 2 or 3 times in a year, but we have to ensure the availability of this food throughout the year. So proper storage is very must to ensure the availability of food throughout the year. So for the storage purpose, first of all, the farmers just after the threshing, they are usually drying the seeds under the sun to remove the complete moisture content or water content from the seeds. We know that we studied about one of the microorganism called fungus. Fungus likes the moisture very much. If there is any moisture content anywhere, what will happen? The fungus may attack over that and start to germinate. To avoid this, the farmers or we must dry the seeds before storing. Under the sun, we have to keep this as flattened and also we have to dry all the seeds before storing this. Okay, and in case of this from the side of government itself, they are introducing certain granaries and others. Granaries. Nellu Sambaranam. Aren't you reading about this? The newspapers and others. Nellu Sambaranam and others. Okay. To protect the farmers. So, the government itself is introducing about the different types of granaries. Okay. To save the grains. So, in our homes also, in ancient times, most of the houses are with a small granary to keep the grains for a long period of time without the attack from the microorganisms and other kind of rodents. Okay. So, granaries are large areas, godowns. In godowns, we can say large bins, silos. It is usually known as the silos. Silos and granaries are using to store these grains. So before storing the grains in silos and granaries, they must ensure the condition of that sterilized condition of that area. Okay, they will sterilize that complete area by using chemical insecticides and pesticides to remove or to kill the complete microorganism present in that area. And also all these godowns are usually covered by, all the ventilations are usually covered by wire mesh or nets to prevent the entry of rodents such as rats, squirrels, etc. If they are entering into the silos and granules, what will happen? They may contaminate all these grains by their urine, hairs, etc. To avoid this, all the silos and granaries are well protected from the attack of microorganisms as well as the rodents. Okay, so this is about this storage of grains. The storage of grains is also considered as one of the very important tasks. So throughout this chapter we discussed about the food production from plants. In the last part it is given about a small topic, that is about food from animals. So we know that we all are not pure vegetarians. Okay, most of us prefer non-veg items than vegetarian items. So we have to think about the food from animals too. How the animals are producing, giving us food, or how we can cultivate the animals. So here it is just starting here, given here the detailed study of this food from animals, that is in higher class. So food from animals, that is usually known as animal husbandry. It is a term given for this is the animal husbandry. That is the rearing and caring of animals for the purpose of food such as meat, milk, egg, etc., fish, etc., honey. All these are coming under the term animal husbandry. So sericulture is regarding what? That is regarding the cultivation of the silkworms. Like that, we can use different terms, cultures. Sericulture that's familiar to you. That's why I used this example, sericulture. Like that, pisciculture is a pisciculture, cultivation of edible fish. Then this apiculture is a apiculture, cultivation of honeybees for the production of honey. So cattle farming, then poultry farming, etc. For poultry farming, what is that? Chicken farming, that is familiar for us. Cattle farming, that is the cultivation of this animals, cattle. So all these are coming under this animal husbandry. Animal husbandry related to the food from animals. The detailed study of animal husbandry is in next class or higher class, 9th standard we will study about that. Then, so we can say we completed this chapter now. We have to do the exercises and others. That I will give the guidelines how to do the exercises and others from next class onwards. Thank you.